Hey guys, Mongo here. I'm gonna give you a complete system update for Pulse Chain. So all the coins that I own, Pulse Chain, and this is what I have. So just when did a video on Pulse Chain in general, the PLS token. So from today's price to the breakout target that I have measured is a 91% move. Um, so yeah, the whole system's about the pump, in my opinion, on top of just the altcoin market in general. We're gonna have a mini alt season. Whether that continues the next 2 months is to be seen. We'll have to wait and see what Bitcoin does. So this is what PLS looks like at the moment. Heading over to PulseX, having a much bigger move today, a few percent above Pulse Chain. Same thing. You got about 100 and excuse me, even more than that. So we got a 126% measured move. That's now gone up since then. So I got 121% left. So yeah, a little more bullish on PulseX, moving more, has the buy and burn. So be surprised in the long run how much more valuable this could be than we all expect. All right, next is Pulse Chain, or excuse me, PLS, excuse me, Ink. So Ink is just this may be the best meme coin of all. Teddy Bear may not even have a chance to rival this thing once it gets moving. It's just the amount of movement it has to make to get to the all-time high is just silly. I don't know if that means it was overvalued originally or this is the new current valuation, but it's just silly. You got 130% to get to the breakout target, but as I did in the previous video I just released, basically you've got 517% just to get to the first fib, which is the 236, which is silly. So it's like 2200% to get to the all-time high. So a lot of speculation on my end. I am farming, but I bought a bag of this just to hold for 12 to 18 months to see what happens. This is what I'm doing. So you do what you want, whatever you think is best. Here's pDAI. So this is the fake DAI. Bull flagging like the rest of the ecosystem is getting ready to pump. This kind of reminds me just like Teddy Bear, which I'll talk about in a second, has that like similar early chart pattern to what SHIB did. Shiba Inu had this very similar chart pattern early on. Of course, I sold like everybody else way too early. I sold like in the middle of the first pump, and I should have waited, but who knows? Take your profits as it is. So that is that. Next, I have Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear is in a falling wedge. Another technical bull flag, but it's actually more aggressive in general. This should have another 47 to 50% move. Once it's above the 1618, it could run even higher. So let's just say it does overperform what it has before. People FOMO in hard. Up to the 2618 is another 100% move. So this one is starting to slow down. So may take some profits and roll them back into PLSX just because I'm pretty bullish on that one. But that's the whole point of these meme coins. This has the same look of Shiba Inu as well. So this has that same early stage look, mass adoption, ecosystem likes it, the community likes it, and has an interesting feel to it. So I don't know, I just may leave it as just a gamble. We'll have to wait and see. And then I also added this one a couple weeks back, and I just bought more today. This is on the bot. This is the only coin that I actually own that hasn't. It's not really bull flagging. It has a lot of use case. This is the Tornado Cash fork. I'm not using it. I'm actually just buying the token. It's a lot of promise, and it's only a $3 million market cap. So team is smart. It's got a really good interface. I will tell you that if you try to get to the website, that MetaMask will flag it as a harmful. Basically, they're trying to prevent you from using it. But anyways, you can skip all that stuff. Just go to an incognito window or open it somewhere else. But that is the general gist of the stuff I own for Pulse Chain and the entire Richard Heart ecosystem. We're getting ready to rip, guys. I hope you bought what you needed to buy. Hopefully the bridge is working for those of you who are trying to get it in. And love it. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter or the Blockguard Discord. Thanks, guys.